Good afternoon. Afternoon Path Chat covering stocks. I'm going to give this to Mike very quickly. Just want to go over what he's going to cover. He's going to take a look at Netflix and then a couple of new ones, actually a few new ones. MNTX, which is Momenta Pharmaceuticals. It's a Boston-based pharma company. He's going to go over Kai, K-A-I, Cadent Inc., which is Westford, Massachusetts. They're located in Westford, Massachusetts, which is just outside of Boston. And they supply machinery that actually makes paper and processes wood. They do things like plank board and machinery that makes plank board and machinery that makes paper. And again, wood processing equipment. SEAS, SeaWorld, Orlando, Florida. You all know what SeaWorld is. Also, GNCMA, General Communications, Anchorage, Alaska wireless company. They provide Wi-Fi and wireless to the great north of our country. And then last but not least, some more interesting things on Snap that I know you all have been asking about and you all love about. And pay close attention to what Mike talks about on the Snapchat chart. Mike, it is all yours.
Okay, thank you very much, Bob. So first thing we're covering is Netflix. Kissed the neckline goodbye. This isn't a trend line, this is a neckline, and now has moved back lower. So nothing else to report here. It's not hit the stop level nor targets. Just giving you a quick update. MNTX is a new one. This is a very interesting position. This is a weekly position. I'm watching for this to get above 837 to trigger a potential long with a retest of the 200-week moving average in this declining trend line area for a first target for that long, because we could have a stop right below the 721 significant level. This would be on a weekly basis, so watch for that. If this does break down below the 721 level, this trade is a no-go and is going to go lower. It has broken out of this big sideways channels. One of our listeners asked for us to do analysis on this, so there's a quick analysis. Long sideways basing pattern, higher low, breaking out, coming back to retest prior resistance, becoming support, rising rotation zone on a weekly basis. So watch for that one. KAI. This is another potential, well, it's a confirmed double top but not yet triggered. It has to be triggered on a weekly basis. A close below the 59.05 level. Stop reduction target 56.20. So that's what we're going to be watching for there. SEAS. This is a lower probability one because we still have the 21 in the way on a weekly basis. But we need a close below 17.99 for the week. GNCMA. This did trigger, but it triggered right at the 21. It sold off, has not got to the first target yet. If this does rally back more and you get the declining 8, we have another shot at resistance here. That could give a second chance entry for a turn lower. Okay, that's what we're watching for there. And finally, quick another update on Snapchat, or should I call it Snap Gap. Downside gap today. We reviewed yesterday upside gap that was filled. Downside gap has not yet filled, so watch for a potential gap fill here. Not saying this can't go lower first. I am expecting longer term lower prices. However, this is getting into a very crowded short trade. People can start shorting it. Now, options aren't available on it until the 10th, I believe. But people can borrow, and the borrow rates for this stock to short it are very, very high and is generating a lot of short interest. This could get very crowded very fast, and you could see short squeeze rallies on this. Sudden and rapid short squeeze rally where all the shorts look to cover. So keep an eye out for that. We're not doing any official plays in this right now. I'm just pointing this out. It's a lot of people we run into are asking about Snapchat. So I covered the other gap fill yesterday, pointing out this gap fill and the potential that there could be short squeezes. That's all I have. Back to you, Bob.
Thank you, Mike. If you enjoy what we're doing here, please subscribe to the videos. Click like, click subscribe, and then click that little alert bell so that you can get alerts when we release a new time-sensitive video. Thanks, everybody, for watching, and we will talk to you soon.